Hello, hi, welcome to Bireja TV. Pipili Bipole campaign ends today. Bhubaneswar, leader and candidate of the three major political parties in Odisha, are leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters as the campaigning for the by-election in Pipili Assembly constituency end today evening. The three major parties BJD, BJP and Congress had kicked off the campaign for their respective candidates from September 20 as per the guidelines for the Election Commission of India. While the ruling BJD has filled Rudra Pratap Mandi, the son of former Pipili MLA Padhi Maharathi, the BJP has filled Asrit Patnaik, and the Congress candidate the constituency is Visakesan Harichandran Mahapatra. Thank you.